Birds' Nests by John Clare. Read for LibriVox.org by David Barnes. How fresh the air! The birds how busy now! In every walk, if I but peep, I find nests newly made, or finished all, and lined with hair and thistledown, and in the bough of little hawthorn, huddled up in green, the leaves still thickening as the spring gets age, the pinks quite round and snug and closely laid, and linnets of materials loose and rough, and still hedge-sparrow, moping in the shade near the hedge bottom, weaves of homely stuff, dead grass and mosses green, and hermitage for secrecy and shelter rightly made. And beautiful it is to walk beside the lanes and hedges where their homes abide. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.